mission briefing is about to begin with Explorer Captain Nova Orion. Mission briefing starting in 3, 2, 1.
Listen up, cadets. We need your help. A giant space rock is zooming towards us. It's the asteroid of probable destruction. We tried zapping the asteroid with a giant laser. We tried catching it with a giant net. But both ingenious plans have mysteriously failed. Over to the man with Plan C. It's our chief engineer, Ben Dipper.
Hey, cadets. The C stands for cadet, because Plan C depends on you. The plan is to break up the asteroid by harnessing the most destructive force in the galaxy.
Children?
These guys just can't help breaking things apart, so let's turn their menace into a force for good. We need team of cadets to move a swarm of separators to the asteroid. Over to Commander Olivia, who is not to find some.
We've located large swarms of separators in space sectors Alpha, Theta, and Charlie. Couldn't get too close. There are more than ever and are likely to separate anything that crosses their path. Jones is telling me to be careful. He's right. You'll need to locate these separator swarms in your spaceships. You have told them that bit, haven't you, Ben?
Just getting there. Okay, cadets. First you need to customize the spacecraft so awesome that it grabs the separator's attention like nothing else. You'll need to make your spacecraft scream too, because as soon as the separators come for you, it's time to go, 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 before they can separate you too.
Okay.
Woohoo! Check me out above! My gravity skates just fizzled out! Hey, teammates! Drifting into the hot tip! We're all doing this mission in Cruiser 4. Might be you don't know all your crewmates yet, but let's dive into building together!
Cadets, time is running out. Just remember the 3 S's. 1. Spacecraft. Customize it. Climb aboard. 2. Separators. Locate them. Link them to the asteroid. 3. Safe return. Watch out for wormholes and debris. Get back safe. Got that? Great! Come on, let's go!
All cadets to the engineering bay. Let's get mission ready. Dipper here, Chief Engineer. Come in, cadets. Do you read me? As the asteroid of probable destruction is zooming closer to spaceport, it's messing with my signal. I'm sending over blueprints for the basic spacecraft I designed for your mission. Your task is to customize my basic design and then ride it into space, okay? Work together and follow my instructions. Let's hope this signal holds.
Okay, should I already have
Pick the
yours?
coolest nose design for your spacecraft.
Which one, Char Char?
To keep it, do nothing. Simply stand back and wait for my next instruction. Reverse bricks.
Now which one? Ooh. You like that? You don't like the cheeseburger one?
Zoom away from the separator. Pressing on. It's time to pick your spacecraft.
Yeah.
That's why she likes it.
Charlotte, are you designing Buzz Lightyear ship? Yeah. Ooh.
Just time for one quick final choice.
You like that one?
Extra, really grab the separator's attention. This means they'll chase you to the asteroid. Hurry.
Balloons? I like balloons. 3, 2, 1. Party time.
It's your birthday!
High five. No pew-pews.
Good luck, team. Let's complete our mission and come back safe. Our space flight is depending on you. Awesome spacecraft, yes. This is really rapid.
That's your spaceship. Spaceship.
Landing in 3, 2, 1, liftoff.
hard. Full course. Now. Let's get out of here. Whoa.
Welcome back! You saved Spaceport!
Spaceship.
I literally got space. I win.
You were awesome, cadets. Check out your action shot. All right. The separator is really good to get that asteroid. Make sure you collect your mission log on the way out.
Great job, guys. Here, over here. Say thank you, little spaceman. Good job. Spaceship.